Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
How are you?
How are you?
Welcome
Welcome
back to my
back to my
another
another
video.
video.
In this video,
In this video,
I'm gonna be sharing with you
I'm gonna make you
new topics.
topic.
The topic's name is
That topic is
introduce
introduce
about
about
myself.
myself.
So
So
please
this
stay
stay
tuned
and
with
with
me
me
and
and
enjoying
enjoying
this kind of
this kind of
content.
content.
This
This
content
content
will
will
very
very
helpful
helpful
for
for
our
our
daily
daily
life
life
speaking
speaking
English.
English.
So
So
now
now
let's. My
name
is
Arat.
my
Name is Arat.
my
Name is Arat.
father's
Arat.
name is
Name is
MD
MD
Kausar Ahmed
Kausar Ahmed
Rubel.
Rubel.
My
My
mother's
mother's
name is
name is
Miss
Miss
Hashi Khatun.
Hashim Khan.
My
name is
my
my
grandfather
grandfather
name is
Guy Father.
name is
Father.
my grandfather's
My grandfather
name is
name is
Muhammad late
Muhammad
Ayub
Ayub
Ali
Ali
Mohori.
Muhuri.
My
My
grandmother
grandmother
name is
name is
Miss
Miss
Samena
Samena
Begum.
Begum.
And
And
my
my
village
name is
Dilalpur.
Bilal Chul.
And my
And my
post office
the atomic
name is
name is
Pansuya.
Panchuria.
And
And
my
my
Opozilla
Opavila
names
name
Taj Mahal.
Cat Mahal.
My
My
district
district
name
name
is
is
Pabna.
Pabna.
My
My
country
country
name is
name is
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
My
My
religion is
Lebanese
Islam.
Islam.
So
So
thank you everyone
thank you Abiad
for
for
watching
watching
my this
this
kind
kind
of
of
content.
content.
In next time I will connect with you in a short time. So please thank you everyone for watching my videos.
What are